Ever wonder if the key to radiant skin and strong, luscious hair could be hiding in your fridge? It's time to rethink eggs, not as just a breakfast staple, but as a game changer for your beauty routine. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this simple ingredient can transform your skin and hair like never before. Stay tuned, because these tips are about to crack open a whole new level of glow. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits eggs can offer, from glowing skin to luscious locks. Plus, I'll share some simple and effective DIY recipes that you can easily whip up at home. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, aging signs, or brittle hair, eggs might just be the solution you're looking for. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to use eggs in ways you've never imagined. First, let's talk about why eggs are so beneficial for our skin and hair. Eggs are loaded with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, making them a true superfood for beauty. The proteins in eggs help to repair and strengthen the tissues of your skin and hair, while vitamins A, D, and E work together to nourish and hydrate. Eggs are also rich in biotin, a B vitamin that's essential for maintaining healthy hair. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair thinning and brittle nails, so including eggs in your beauty routine can really make a difference. Not to mention, the lutein in egg yolks helps improve skin elasticity, keeping your complexion youthful and radiant. But that's not all. The fatty acids in eggs provide deep moisture, making them excellent for treating dry skin and hair. The best part, eggs are versatile and can be combined with various other ingredients to create tailored treatments for your specific needs. Alright, let's start with skincare. Eggs are particularly great for enhancing skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Whether you're looking to tighten your pores, reduce oiliness, or add a natural glow to your skin, there's an egg-based recipe for you. Here's a simple egg white face mask recipe that you can try at home. Egg White Pore-Tightening Mask. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: 1. Separate the egg white from the yolk and place it in a bowl. 2. Add lemon juice and honey to the egg white and whisk until frothy. 3. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes until it dries completely. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. This mask is fantastic for tightening pores and giving your skin a fresh, rejuvenated feel. The egg white firms the skin, the lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, and the honey provides hydration and antibacterial properties. It's a quick and easy way to achieve smooth, glowing skin. Another amazing egg-based treatment is an egg yolk mask, which is especially good for dry or aging skin. Egg yolk hydrating face mask. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado. Instructions: 1. Mash the avocado in a bowl. 2. Mix in the egg yolk and olive oil until you get a smooth consistency. 3. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on dry areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and moisturize. This mask deeply hydrates the skin, thanks to the egg yolk's natural fats and vitamins. The olive oil further locks in moisture, while the avocado is packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage. Now, let's move on to hair care. Eggs are a game changer when it comes to treating scalp issues and improving hair strength. If your hair is prone to breakage, or if your scalp is feeling dry and flaky, eggs might be just what you need. Here's a simple egg and olive oil hair mask recipe that works wonders for nourishing your hair from root to tip. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for extra moisture. Instructions: whisk the eggs in a bowl. Add the olive oil and honey and mix until well combined. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, ensuring even coverage. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse out thoroughly with cool water, followed by a mild shampoo. This mask strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and leaving your hair smooth and shiny. The olive oil adds moisture and shine, while the honey helps to seal in that hydration. Another great recipe is an egg yolk and yogurt hair mask, perfect for adding volume and shine. Ingredients: 0.1 egg yolk, 0.2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 0.1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. 2. Apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the roots and tips. 3. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse with cool water and follow up with a mild shampoo. This mask is excellent for nourishing the hair, adding volume, and enhancing natural shine. The protein in the egg yolk strengthens hair, while the yogurt adds a healthy dose of moisture. Coconut oil adds an extra layer of conditioning, making your hair feel soft and manageable. We often focus on our face and hair, but forget about other important areas like the neck and legs. The skin on these areas can also benefit from the nourishing properties of eggs. For the neck, I recommend using the egg white mask we discussed earlier. Apply it to your neck area and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. This can help tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. For your legs, especially if you have dry skin, try this egg and oatmeal scrub. Egg and oatmeal leg scrub. Ingredients: 0.1 egg yolk, 0.12 cup of ground oats, 0.2 tablespoons of yogurt. Instructions: 1. Mix the egg yolk, ground oats and yogurt in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your legs and gently scrub in circular motions. 3. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This scrub exfoliates dead skin cells, while the egg yolk and yogurt nourish and hydrate. It's a perfect way to keep your legs smooth and glowing, especially during the dry season. And there you have it, some egg-cellent ways to use eggs in your beauty routine. From face masks to hair treatments, eggs are a versatile and affordable ingredient that can truly transform your skin and hair. I hope you give these DIY recipes a try and see the results for yourself. If you do, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these tips work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and wellness content. Until next time, take care.